Okay, who loves potatoes? I do, and I clearly cannot juggle, but I can definitely show you how to make a fluffy mashed potato. So let's get to the kitchen. To make my fluffy mashed potatoes, grab the ingredients listed in the description box below and make sure you watch the entire video so you get everything right. Peel and properly wash the potatoes and cut into small chunks. Put to boil until tender. You can test by sticking a fork which goes through the pieces easily. Don't forget to drain the potatoes. Now let's move over to the stove. On one burner, heat the milk in a saucepan on low to medium flame. Continue to keep it on low heat to prevent burning. On another burner, heat another pot on medium flame and add the butter and allow to melt. Add the drained potatoes and mash well with a masher. Turn off the heat from the milk. Now pour into the mashed potatoes. Be careful of splatters, it will burn. Give it a good stir and add in the veggies. Sprinkle the cheese, black pepper, red chili flakes, and salt to taste. Stir well to combine everything. If you don't like spicy, you can substitute the peppers with Italian dried seasoning. Note, you can jazz up the veggies with peas and carrots instead of mushrooms and corn, or you can combine all of it. Remember, creativity brings out deliciousness. Hi guys, Heidi here. Thank you so much for chilling with H today. I just want to say hi to Shanta and Anjali Rajkumar. They are two of my youngest viewers and they recently tried my tomato choka recipe and they thoroughly enjoyed it. Mashed potatoes is one of my favorite foods. I don't overindulge, everything in moderation of course, but I love mashed potatoes and it goes so well with my stewed lentils and sauteed veggies. If you haven't seen those recipes, check out the link. I will link it down at the end of this video, so check those out and I hope that you will enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and to share with your friends. I'm sure they will enjoy it as well. Thank you so much again and I will see you soon.